If you're experiencing a verification pending status on Robinhood, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure that you have received any emails from Robinhood regarding your account verification. Sometimes, they may require additional information or documents. Step 2. Verify your documents. If you submitted documents for verification, double-check that they meet Robinhood's requirements. Ensure that the documents are clear, legible, and not expired. Step 3. Resubmit your information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Contact customer support. If your verification is still pending after resubmitting, reach out to Robinhood's customer support. Use their Snapchat or their official website to get assistance. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After contacting support, be patient. Verification processes can take time, but you should receive an update once your account status changes. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue on Robinhood. If problems persist, continue to communicate with customer support for further assistance.